देर मत करो। डोंट डिले, डोंट डिले। मुझे तुम पर गर्व है। आई एम प्राउड ऑफ यू, आई एम प्राउड ऑफ यू। क्या बात है? What is the matter? What is the matter? बोलो कहाँ जाना है? Tell me where to go. Tell me where to go. पेज मत फाड़ो। Don't tear the page. Don't tear the page. कुछ बड़ा करने की सोचो। Think of doing something big. Think of doing something big. किसी कीमत पर नहीं। Not at any cost. Not at any cost. मुझे बोलने दो। Let me speak. Let me speak. तुम कैसे हो? How are you? How are you? मैं ठीक हूँ। I am fine. I am fine. यह तुम्हारे लिए है। This is for you. This is for you. यह मेरे लिए है। This is for me. This is for me. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं। Okay, no problem. Okay, no problem. पागल हो क्या? Are you mad? Are you mad? तुम्हें क्या चाहिए? What do you want? What do you want? मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए। I don't want anything. I don't want anything. मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता। I don't think so. I don't think so. तुम्हें कैसे पता? How do you know? How do you know? तुम्हें क्या लगता है? What do you think? What do you think? मुझे ऐसा लगता है। I think so. I think so. यह बहुत गर्म है। It is very hot. It is very hot. यहाँ कोई नहीं है। There is no one here. There is no one here. यह संभव है। This is possible. This is possible. यह असंभव है। This is impossible. This is impossible. रोज नई चीजें सीखो। Learn something new every day. Learn something new every day. पूरी कोशिश करूंगा। I will try my best. I will try my best. बहुत देर हो गई है। It is too late. It is too late. बस एक मिनट। Just a minute. Just a minute. अपना समय बर्बाद मत करो। Don't waste your time. Don't waste your time. वह मर गया। He died. He died. सुनकर बहुत दुख हुआ। Very sad to hear. Very sad to hear. वह अब नहीं रही। She is no more. She is no more. नाना जी अब नहीं रहे। Grandpa is no more. Grandpa is no more. ज़्यादा होशियार मत बनो। Don't be too smart. Don't be too smart. मुझे तुम पर गर्व है। I am proud of you. I am proud of you. मैं आपसे मिलना चाहता हूँ। I want to meet you. I want to meet you. इसे जारी रखो। Keep it up. Keep it up. अपना ख्याल रखना। Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. आज बहुत ठंड है। It is very cold today. It is very cold today. तुम्हें पता है? Do you know? Do you know? नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. No, not at all. No, not at all. एक बार की बात है. Once upon a time. Once upon a time. क्या तुम वहां हो? Are you there? Are you there? काम पर वापस आओ. Come back to work. Come back to work. मुझे इंग्लिश बोलना पसंद है. I like speaking English. I like speaking English. मुझे अब क्या करना चाहिए? What should I do now? What should I do now? भगवान से दुआ करो. Pray to God. Pray to God. मुझे वापस कॉल करो. Call me back. Call me back. तुमने क्या कहा? What did you say? What did you say? फालतू बात मत करो. Don't talk nonsense. Don't talk nonsense. यह ऐसा नहीं है. It is not like that. It is not like that. इसे फिर से कहो. Say it again. Say it again. मैं सोना चाहता हूँ. I want to sleep. I want to sleep. वहाँ कौन है? Who is there? Who is there? अपनी अंग्रेजी सुधारो. Improve your English. Improve your English. हमारे साथ आओ. Come join us. Come join us. मैं बहुत भाग्यशाली हूँ. I am very lucky. I am very lucky. पानी गर्म कर दो. Heat the water. Heat the water. चिंता मत करो. Don't worry. Don't worry. जुबान संभाल कर. Control your tongue. Control your tongue. मुझे सोना है. I want to sleep. I want to sleep. मुझे पूरा विश्वास नहीं है. I am not sure. I am not sure. मुझे एक मौका दो. Give me a chance. Give me a chance. अपने नाखून काट लो. Cut your nails. Cut your nails. अपने नाखून साफ करो. Clean your nails. Clean your nails. कंप्यूटर बंद करो. Shut down the computer. Shut down the computer. मैं तुम्हारा चेहरा पढ़ सकता हूँ. I can read your face. I can read your face. इसे फिर से करो. Do it again. Do it again. अभी मतलब अभी. Now means now. Now means now. मैं तुम्हारी जांच करूंगा. I will check you. I will check you. इसे मत तोड़ो. Don't break it. Don't break it. मैं तुम्हें वापस कॉल करता हूँ. I will call you back. I will call you back. क्या तुम्हारे पास मोटरसाइकिल है? Do you have a motorcycle? Do you have a motorcycle? बाहर मत जाओ. Don't go out. Don't go out. तुमने अच्छा काम किया. You did a good job. You did a good job. जाने दो, let it go, let it go. मुझे फोन मत करो, don't call me, don't call me. चलो साथ चलते हैं, let's go together, let's go together. कल मिलेंगे, see you tomorrow, see you tomorrow. यह मेरा फैसला है, this is my decision, this is my decision. कोशिश करते रहो, keep trying, keep trying. लाइट बंद कर दो, switch off the lights, switch off the lights. मूर्ख मत बनो, don't be stupid, don't be stupid. मुझे ये पसंद है, I like this one, I like this one. क्या ये तुम्हारा है? Is it yours? Is it yours? मुझे खुद पर विश्वास है, I believe in myself, I believe in myself. तुम्हारा मोबाइल कहाँ है? Where is your mobile? Where is your mobile? ज़्यादा मत बोलो, don't speak too much, don't speak too much. बाल बना लो, comb your hair, comb your hair. आपने क्या कहा? What did you say? What did you say? इसे नीचे रखो, put it down, put it down. आप मुझे गलत समझ रही हैं, you are misunderstanding me, you are misunderstanding me. लाइट जला दो, turn on the lights, turn on the lights. तुम्हारी इतनी हिम्मत? How dare you? How dare you? ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, nothing like that, nothing like that. मैं तुम्हारी पोल खोल दूंगा, I will expose you, I will expose you. चलो वहां चलते हैं, come on let's go there, come on let's go there. वो कौन है? Who is he? Who is he? तुम्हें क्या हो जाता है? What happens to you? What happens to you? मेरे साथ खेलो, play with me, play with me. वह मेरी गलती थी, that was my mistake, that was my mistake. मानो या ना मानो, believe it or not, believe it or not. मुझे सच बताओ, tell me the truth, tell me the truth. बोलने से पहले 2 बार सोच लो, think twice before speaking, think twice before speaking. किसी का दिल मत दुखाओ, don't hurt anyone, don't hurt anyone. अब मेरी बारी है, it's my turn, it's my turn. शायद तुम सही हो, maybe you are right, maybe you are right. आपका काम हो गया, your work is done, your work is done. काम की बात करो, talk about work, talk about work. तुमने मौका गवा दिया, you missed your chance, you missed your chance. कान खोलकर सुन लो, listen with open ears, listen with open ears. तुम एक धोखेबाज हो, you are a fraud, you are a fraud. तुमने मेरा काम नहीं किया, you didn't do my work, you didn't do my work. वह एक व्यापारी है, he is a businessman, He is a businessman. मैं शहर से बाहर था. I was out of town. I was out of town. मैं यहाँ पास में रहता हूँ. I live near here. I live near here. मुझसे बहस मत करो. Don't argue with me. Don't argue with me. ऐसा नहीं है. It is not so. It is not so. क्या आपको ये मिला? Did you get it? Did you get it? हाँ, मुझे ये मिल गया है. Yes, I have got this. Yes, I have got this. अब तुम ठीक हो. You are fine now. You are fine now. अब आप जा सकती हैं. Now you can go. Now you can go. ऐसा दोबारा कभी मत कहना. Never say that again. Never say that again. तुम्हें अच्छे से पता होना चाहिए. You should know well. You should know well. मुझे बस कुछ घंटे चाहिए. I just need a few hours. I just need a few hours. कल बात करते हैं. Let's talk tomorrow. Let's talk tomorrow. तुम तो जानते ही हो. You already know. You already know. उसमें बहुत क्षमता थी. He had a lot of potential. He had a lot of potential. क्या आप यही चाहते थे? Is this what you wanted? Is this what you wanted? हाँ, यही तो मैं चाहता था. Yes, this is what I wanted. Yes, this is what I wanted. मैं अपने कमरे में जा रहा हूँ. I am going to my room. I am going to my room. वो फिर से शुरू हो गया. He started again. He started again. हम तीनों. All three of us. All three of us. तब मैं रुकूंगा. Then I will stop. Then I will stop. मुझे अकेला रहना पसंद है. I like to be alone. I like to be alone. मुझे भी अकेला ही रहना है. I also wanted to stay alone. I also wanted to stay alone. ऐसा क्यों? Why so? Why so? उस तरीके से नहीं. Not that way. Not that way. यहाँ आओ. Come here. Come here. मैं अभी आया. I just came. I just came. क्या चल रहा है? What's going on? What's going on? मैं सचमुच ठीक नहीं हूँ. I am really not well. I am really not well. दोपहर में या फिर उसके बाद. In the afternoon or so. In the afternoon or so. ये आपके ही भले के लिए है. This is for your own good. This is for your own good. क्या मैं देख सकता हूँ? Can I take a look? Can I take a look? हमारे पास पूरा हफ्ता पड़ा है. We have had a whole week. We have had a whole week. क्या मैं देख सकता हूँ? Can I take a look? Can I take a look? कुछ गड़बड़ है क्या? Is something wrong? Is something wrong? उसे अस्पताल ले जाओ। टेक हिम टू द हॉस्पिटल। टेक हिम टू द हॉस्पिटल। मुझे वो नहीं मिले। I couldn't find it. I couldn't find it. मैं तुम्हारी तरफ हूं। I am on your side. I am on your side. क्या तुमने इस बारे में सुना? Did you hear about this? Did you hear about this? यह एक अफवाह है। This is a rumor. This is a rumor. ये कहानी का एक पक्ष है। This is one side of the story. This is one side of the story. हम दोनों एक दूसरे को जानते हैं। We both know each other. We both know each other. मुझे लगता है मैंने कुछ बेवकूफ़ी की। I think I did something stupid. I think I did something stupid. मैं उसे कल मिल सकता हूँ। I can meet him tomorrow. I can meet him tomorrow. क्या तुम्हें लगता है कि मैं मूर्ख हूँ? Do you think I'm a fool? Do you think I'm a fool? इस पर विश्वास मत करो। Don't believe it. Don't believe it. आप पहले जैसे ही कर रही हैं। You are doing the same as before. You are doing the same as before. क्या तुम्हें हारने के लिए कहा गया था? Were you told to lose? Were you told to lose? मैं तुमसे कुछ भी नहीं छिपाता। I don't hide anything from you. I don't hide anything from you. आप उसे बचा सकते थे। You could have saved him. You could have saved him. आपको किस बात का खेद है? What are you sorry about? What are you sorry about? ये वैसे भी कठिन होगा। It will be difficult anyway. It will be difficult anyway. तुम्हें अच्छे से तैयारी करनी चाहिए। You should prepare well. You should prepare well.